So we're washing this motorhome here. You can see where we're doing the awning, and you can see where what the awning looked like before, right there. So cleaning that, and we've been washing this side. It's starting to look a lot better. It's covered with mold, basically. So it's got severe mold. It's been sitting under a tree. If you can ever avoid it, don't leave your motorhome parked under a tree. As you can see, these are lichen, and these actually is a living plant. It's a mold algae type plant. It grows roots into the fibers of the motorhome itself. It causes a lot of damage. They're extremely hard to get off. So you want to avoid, you want to have your motorhome washed at least once a year. Otherwise, these things will grow, and it's worse on the roof, on top, and they will damage your roof, and that'll cost you a lot of money in the long run. So, roof damage is bad. It's I've heard it's very expensive. So just put in Port Angeles-Sequim, Washington, car wash man, motorhome wash man. On Google, Facebook, or the internet. We already started washing this. The mold was real thick on here, and our solution, so we're cutting it off, doing the details, to get all this off there. You guys have a great day. Check the description area for all the details.